Today, I've got a fun twist on fries. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in my kitchen and create a healthy and delicious recipe together. Today we're going to be making smoked paprika carrot fries with spinach pesto. Let's begin by preparing the carrots. So you want to take them and then cut both of the ends off. Cut it in half. And then cut it lengthwise. Once you have it lengthwise, lay it on the flat side so that it stays stable. And then you want to cut 2 or 3 more times lengthwise, just so that they're about the size of a fry. So just like this. And then you're going to want to do that with all of your carrots. So you're welcome to leave the peel on the carrot, just give it a really good wash, or you can peel them. Totally up to you. And it probably depends on who's going to be eating them, because when you leave the peel on, it will alter the flavor just a little bit, but not by much. Carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, fiber, and antioxidants. Place your sliced up carrots into a large mixing bowl. Drizzle your carrots with 3 tablespoons of either heart healthy olive oil or avocado oil. Either one will work really great. And then using your hands, coat the carrots really well. Yes, use your hands to make sure you can get them all coated. Plus, it's really a great way to just get in touch with the food that you're eating. And it's fun, super fun. I love touching the food that I'm making. Another bonus of using your hands and all of the oil is it's a great moisturizer, especially in the wintertime when your skin gets really dry like mine does. Okay, so set your carrots aside, and then in a small bowl, we're going to mix together all of the seasonings. Let's start with 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. And this is really high in vitamin A and iron. So iron is best absorbed into the body when it's consumed with vitamin C, which we will get to later. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, which is going to go really nicely with the smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Both are rich in trace minerals. 1/2 teaspoon of either black pepper or a little pinch of cayenne pepper. And if you watch any of my videos, I'm sure you know which one I chose. I'm going to use the cayenne pepper. The last ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 1 scoop of our clean sourced collagens powder, which is really great in supporting a healthy digestion, as well as bones, hair, nails, teeth, and joints. Mix up your spices. Pour your spices over your carrot fries and then stir them up to coat evenly. Now we're ready to spread out the seasoned carrots onto a baking sheet in a single layer. And you may need to use several baking sheets just depending on how large a baking sheet that you have. I have a smaller one just because I've got a smaller oven right now, but let's see. Just want to make sure that they're in a single layer. As you can see, I needed 2 baking sheets, and you want to bake them in a 425-degree preheated oven for 24 to 27 minutes. And then halfway through, give them a really good stir. And since I have 2 baking sheets, one's going to be on the top and one's going to be on the bottom rack, so just make sure when you're stirring them halfway through, you switch the racks that they're on. While your fries are baking, let's make a fun pesto dipping sauce. In your food processor, let's add in 2 cups of organic spinach. And when I measured out the 2 cups, I did press the leaves down, so it's a lot of spinach in here. 1/2 cup of either roasted or raw almonds, your choice. It's going to add a nice plant-based protein to our dish. 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, which is our cheese substitute. You're absolutely welcome though to use Parmesan cheese here instead if that fits your individual needs. 3 garlic cloves, which is excellent this time of year for fighting off colds and infections. Last, let's add a 1/4 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. pulse up your ingredients a few times just to chop things up a little bit. And then leaving your processor running, add in 1/4 of a cup of heart healthy olive oil. Then let's add in the juice of 1 lemon, which is really high in vitamin C, and it's going to help your body absorb the iron that is in the smoked paprika that we talked about earlier. Let's give these carrot fries a taste along with this wonderful pesto. It's a little bit thick. You're always welcome to add a little bit of water, a little bit more olive oil if you want it just a little bit thinner, but you certainly don't need to. If the food makes me dance, it's a good one. This is delicious. I love it. I love the smoked paprika flavor with the carrots. You would never know that you were eating carrots, by the way. And then the pesto is gorgeous as well, along with that garlic flavor, and it's so healthy for you with the lemon juice and the garlic and the smoked paprika and the carrots. You cannot go wrong with this recipe. I really hope you give this one a try. I'm so happy you joined me today. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next week. Take care. Bye.